These scrapwood reindeers are one of my best sellers and they fly off my store every year. Welcome to day 10 of the 12 scrapwood days of Christmas, and today we are making reindeers.
So to start off for this project, I'm using pallet stringers, and they're perfect for this, sort of on the right thickness. And you just need to put the stencil on and make sure you're missing as many nail holes as you can in them. And not, I'm using these stencils that I made quite a while ago because of the amount of these I make. But I do have downloadable templates available in my shop if you're interested in making a copy for yourself. I will put a link on the screen right now to the shop for anyone who's watching on TV. And as you can see, some of these are taller than others because of the nail holes and how they work. But I'm just making sure I'm getting the best side out of the piece of wood. After I've finished doing all the templates, then we are moving on to the bandsaw when we're going to start cutting these out. So I start out by cutting out the top around the antlers and the bottom around the legs. And then we move on doing the outside shape. Sometimes I do that in 2 cuts, or just do it in 1 like I did that time. And then, as you can see, we put them back together. We'll take them together, and then we'll be turning it 90 degrees, and then we will be cutting out the side profile. If you're enjoying the content, please don't forget to subscribe. It really does help the channel out. Wishing I could normally cut this quickly on a bandsaw, but this is where I made a mistake, where I should have come from the other side like I am now, then loop round. Yeah, I for some reason I just find it easier making that top bend instead of doing it in 2 cuts like I did there. And then it's just taking them apart. As you can see, I've done 12 here. I was doing batches of around 10 or 12. Speed things up, and just look how good they look, and then look at the amount of waste that's come off of them. These all look great, but now onto the sanding job. We start off with the belt sander, and I use all the sort of bigger grooves I'll do on the end of the belt. Then for the smaller and inner grooves, I then move on to this drum sander attachment for my drill. These attachments are great because they really do help get into all the grooves. I use a block just to go over quickly, and then I will be moving on to literally just using the sandpaper on its own and getting rid of the block. I'm currently doing this with 240 grit paper. I've gone up the grits as I change the different sanding processes. I have changed the grits I use. I use a file to get into the very top around the antlers. And then when I'm happy with that, I then move on to staining it with dark oak beeswax. I don't know what it is, but the dark oak beeswax is a great finish. I always apply it with wire wool and just dipping it in and then coating every section of the reindeer with wax. And then when I'm happy with that, I leave it for about 10 minutes. Then I grab a cloth. As you can see, I've used a lot of polished a lot of dark oak wax onto that cloth. And look at that, it gives it a nice little sheen. So give it a nice little buff. See that? How good does that look now? And yeah, I just repeat the process and I go all over the whole reindeer till I'm happy with the sheen.
And just like that, they are now complete. What do you think? These have always been one of my best sellers on my craft fairs. They always fly out every year, and they're so easy to make. Then adding the Christmas bow really finishes them off. Let me know down in the comments what you would have done differently, and make sure you use the word turkey. That way I know you got this far through the video, and I know to reply to your comments first. If you enjoyed this video, I've queued up another video right here for you. And if you're enjoying the 12 Scrapbook Days of Christmas, I've got a playlist of it right here for you, so you can catch up on any missing episodes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for day 11.